BTS's Jung Kook made a name for himself in 2022. 2023 might be even bigger for him. Many of the members of BTS have achieved individual stardom alongside their phenomenal success as a K-pop group. Now, during their break, that popularity is coming in handy, as most of the BTS singers are releasing their own music. Jung Kook, one of the 7 singers in BTS, began to establish himself as a solo artist in 2022. During his past chart performance and the success of his bandmates in recent months, there is every reason to believe that 7 will become a hit upon its release. But that's not all that has fans excited. Jung Kook recently surprised his followers by re-releasing 2 tracks from his past, Still With You, and My Time. These songs are now available on streaming platforms and download stores worldwide for the first time as official releases. Although these tracks were initially released years ago in a manner that didn't help them reach the Billboard charts, they are now accumulating streams and sales. It appears that both songs are poised to make debuts on various important rankings in the coming days.